Everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Harvest Cafe. And today we will be doing the full walk-in. We did a video before about cleaning and maintaining your shelves, but today we're going to do the whole walk-in. All right. So now that we got our cooler all nice and cleaned out, everything's taken care of. You're gonna get your green scrubby, you're gonna dip it in your cleaner, and you're just gonna scrub. That's all you really can do. Just give it a good old-fashioned scrub. We have our whole wall all scrubbed down with suds. We're gonna take our warm, clean water and we're gonna wash it down and we're gonna let it air dry like that. And then we'll come in later on and we'll do a warm water bleach solution to kill off any remaining bacteria that survived the first wash. Okay, and then after that we're gonna do in sections, because you can clean a whole wall in one fell swoop, but it's actually easier and more efficient to clean a wall in sections. So I'm gonna show you the difference.